I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Linear 1 brush. Linear 1 is a lifesaver, whether you're a pro at applying a precise brow or if it's a bit more of a challenge, the Linear 1 makes it easy, effortless, and over in about 5 seconds. I usually use the Linear 1 to fill in and define my brow, to line my eyes with a precise line, and sometimes even to fill in and line my lip in a pinch. It's also so great if you have trouble setting your hands because you can relax the tips of the fibers onto the lashes or brow hair. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and applies and blends makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Linear 1 brush. When defining the brow with Linear 1, slide your brush across your favorite brow powder once, and gently glide your brush along the bottom of your brow for definition and blend up into the brow. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a fraction of the product used with a conventional brush, and a gentle application, which gives you a soft yet precise shape. Place your Linear 1 into your cream liner product and gently glide your brush from the inner corner to the outer corner and perfect in minimal strokes. Linear 1 makes for an effortless line. Linear 1 is perfect for defining around the brow, lip, or eye for precise edges where you want them. Glide your Linear 1 onto your favorite concealer stick and gently move the brush back and forth around the corner of the lip or the edge of the brow for extra perfection. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.